Hello. I don't know what it is, no matter what kind of mood I'm in before I start these live meditations, as soon as I see that little red timer indicator that I've gone live go on, I feel so energized. And I don't know if it's because I love meditation so much or it's because I love connecting with you all so much, but I'm sure it's a combination of that and many, 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 many things. So thank you for joining me today for today's live meditation. I'm going to be doing these daily. Before we get started, I'll introduce myself to new folks. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I'm an author, a mother of five, a meditation guide, and a lover of all things joy and bliss. And I think that learning how to find the little joyful moments in every single day is critical at this time, critical at these chaotic, sometimes overwhelming times. So, hello everyone. I can't wait to meditate with you. Today we're going to be talking about fear and honoring our feelings. I was just on Instagram and I saw a post by my beautiful, wise, compassionate, amazing, talented friend, Elizabeth Dialto. I encourage you to follow her, Elizabeth Dialto on Instagram. She was talking about, or she was giving you permission to unfollow spiritual leaders who are criticizing people for being afraid at this time, for taking precautions against the coronavirus, and describing those feelings and those actions as being low vibration. I cannot tell you how much I cannot stand that. You taking smart, necessary precautions, you feeling and honoring your feelings of fear is human and healthy and smart. It's human and healthy and smart. And pretending that everything is okay is called, when it doesn't feel okay or when it isn't really okay, is spiritual bypassing. And it hurts us. It hurts you, yourself, and it hurts the other people around you. So let's not do that. Let's meditate. Let's meditate on that. Get in your comfortable seat, whatever that means. Settle in on your couch, in your chair, on the floor, on a pillow, whatever feels good. Sit up as tall as you can. Rest your hands either downturned on your knees or thighs, upturned to receive energy. Maybe hold your hands in prayer. Close your eyes if it feels safe and comfortable. Leave them open and gently focused on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor in front of you, if that works better for you. And bring your attention to your breath. Your easy, natural, and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. During this meditation, our time together today, our short, maybe 10 minutes together today, I want you to set the intention of honoring whatever is happening in your body, in your heart, in your mind, just for these moments. As physical discomfort arises, make an adjustment. No need to be still. And just as I giggled a little when I stumbled over my words, I want you to treat every feeling, every thought as nothing more than something to look at, to laugh at, to work around, to move through. Everything in this moment is manageable and okay. So as thoughts arise, don't treat them as a disruption. Welcome them in. Observe them. Meditation is about connecting with yourself and what is in the moment. No resistance, no pushing thoughts away, no pretending that your knees don't hurt when they do. Just settling into what is. Acceptance, allowing, with grace and good humor. What is what is, and you are safe in this moment. Feel into that. Take a big, nice inhale with me. Exhale and settle into that safe, peaceful feeling. The world still moves and spins around us, but right now in stillness, we are light and safe and connected. Inhale. Exhale. The world still spins and moves all around us, but in stillness, we find comfort and safety. Inhale. Exhale, settle into that. Take in the silence. Feel tension being released from every part of your body. Notice the muscles in your face, your jaw, your shoulders, your belly, your legs. Notice the tension melting away. I'm going to offer you a couple mantras. Just listen carefully. Accept them as my gift to you. If they don't feel true to you in this moment, that's okay. It's just my gift to you of what I feel is true in this moment. All of my feelings are valid and healthy and a reflection of my humanity. I accept them with love. All of my feelings are valid and healthy and a reflection of my humanity, and I accept them with love. One more time. All of my feelings are valid and healthy and a reflection of my humanity, and I accept them with love. Inhale and exhale with me. Next mantra. On my journey to enlightenment, I remember to stay grounded in reality because that is smart and wise. On my journey to enlightenment, I remember to stay smart and grounded in reality. On my journey to enlightenment, I remember to stay smart and wise and grounded in reality. Inhale with me. Exhale, settle in. Your heart knows what is true. Your gut tells you what is right. Your actions are led by your careful and conscious, curated discernment. You are wise. You are wise. And when something feels off, when a message feels untrue, it's okay to reject it. Be your own guru. Connect with yourself. Connect with what's true and real. If it feels good, you can start to rock forward and back and side to side, waking up your body, getting ready to return to this glorious day where you are going to honor all of your thoughts and your feelings because you are worthy of being listened to and acknowledged, and all of your feelings should be accepted with grace. Take a big inhale. Exhale, wiggle your toes and your fingers. Bring your hands to your heart center in prayer if that feels good. Tilt your head downward. And with your next inhale, flutter your eyes open. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, my wise community who is so strong and fierce and connected and knows what's right. Right? All right, I'm gonna run because my kids are all home and they are being so quiet during these daily meditations, and I want to show my appreciation for them by honoring their time. So I'm just gonna say 3 times. Oh, first, thank you for showing up for me because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. And I'll say 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. It's all true. I love you so much. And I will see you again tomorrow. And for those of you watching in replay on IGTV and YouTube, leave your comments and keep watching and subscribing and all that good stuff. I'll see you.